Hi everyone, so today we will be sharing our stories with the Shifting Walls project on Instagram. First of all, we have to sign in into our Instagram account, which we have already done. Then we will be clicking in the central button that we find below. We click and we select our pictures. We have to select first the ones we want to appear first and following the order. In my case, this one will be the first, this one the second, third, and fourth. In order to select more than one picture, you have to hold your finger a bit on the first picture. Then we will be clicking into next. And here you are able to edit with different filters, brightness, contrast, and different options for your pictures. In my case, I am done with them, so I will click into next. Now we have to import our story into the caption of the post. For that, we can easily come to an application where we can have our text, and what we will do, we will copy the text and paste it on your post. Besides, if you want to make your post more international, you can select a location. In my case, it will be Madrid, Spain. Are we done? So we can share the project. And here we have it. It's already posted. We can check it here or in our profile. We have our pictures and our story. Besides, if you want to add more hashtags, you can include it in the full text under this last line, or in my case, I will add it as a separate comment. So we can make a difference between the story and the promotion part that we can do with the hashtags. So we come back here, copy all our hashtags and paste them below. So that should be enough. Our story is already shared with the world and with the Shifting Walls project. Besides, if you're interested, you can click on the little paper plane and share it with the Shifting Walls project.